What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I already filmed this video once already, and my screen record decided to cut and not save properly, and I lost everything. So here is take two. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm wearing my Air Jordan because AMP is absolutely flying right now. We're literally up 46%. If I refresh this, it's probably even more. Oh, let's see here. Give me the 24-hour. Guys, I gave you a massive trade opportunity in my last AMP video, so shout out to everyone. Wow, 55% in the last 24 hours. Shout out to everyone that got in on that trade and is absolutely crushing it. We're currently sitting at 0.076. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.22 billion. 24-hour volume has massively increased, guys. We're at like 60 million in the last video. We're at 219 million for AMP. So we're going to jump into it, guys. We're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So I gave you a massive trade opportunity in my last video with this bull pennant. And here would be your flagpole. We saw our breakout, and it was a huge trade, guys. It was a massive trade. 27% trade, absolutely incredible. Shout out to everyone that got in on that trade. Now we may see the exact same thing happen again. If we see some consolidation here, we're on the 4-hour chart. If we see consolidation, we allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles. It's healthy to consolidate, guys. You don't want to pump and pump and pump, because then you're going to dump. All right, guys. So if we do see that consolidation, you see that breakout, always wait for confirmation. Always wait for it to come out, back test as support, and then break through and continue. Then you can enter your trade and go long, guys, because this trade is absolutely massive. So this would bring AMP up. Let me give it a price target here to about 10 cents, and that would be an appreciation of basically 40%. So it would be an absolutely incredible trade opportunity. So if you do see AMP start to break above and back test it as support, it does lag a little bit. I noticed that Bitcoin was pumping and AMP wasn't really moving, probably just because it just saw a huge pump, and then it just out of nowhere pumped again. Absolutely incredible pump here. So you can see here, I pulled my Fibonacci from our all-time high to our swing low, and you can see we're back above the 0.5, and we're currently testing, let me open this up. We're currently testing the golden ratio as resistance. And you know what happens, guys. I don't have to tell you again, but I'm going to, because I like to. If you come up and you back test the golden ratio as supports, a strong signal that you're going to go back up to where you came from, and in many cases to the 1.272 extension. So if we go back to where it came from, our all-time high was at 12 cents. If we go to the 1.272, guys, it's all the way up at 16 cents, which would be an appreciation from the current price of over 100%, 124% for AMP. So if you got in down here and you're still holding your trade, I mean, if we break out from this and we head up to 10 cents, if we break out from our bull pennant, that's 100% gain. If we go to the 1.272, you're looking over 200% gain here for AMP. I need to start trading AMP because I trade on Bybit and on Binance, mostly on Bybit, and AMP is not available. I know it's available on Coinbase Pro, so I might have to jump on there because I'm missing out on these juicy gains. So I'm going to quickly show you guys AMP here on the daily, on the weekly. Let's do the weekly. I did have it on the daily, but as I said, I've already filmed this video once. So we can see here on the daily, AMP is looking really strong, guys. We came down, we found support on the 20 EMA. These wicks came down a little bit, but we saw our bounce, and we're back above the 20 EMA on the weekly. If we look at the 1-day chart here, la-di-da, this African internet is kind of slow. All right, guys. Well, I'm sure it's actually good in some parts of Africa, but here in Nigeria, it's not the best. So you can see here on the daily, we're about to have the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 EMA. You can see how beautiful and sexy these green candles are. So if we hold a strong level of support, we consolidate and allow the EMAs to catch up, have the bullish cross. Beautiful sign of a reversal in the trend, and we're going to see this continuation to the upside. You can see here with Bitcoin, we have a bull pennant, absolutely massive bull pennant. I just posted it in the Discord about 20 minutes ago. Please sign up to the Discord. Price for coffee, great way to support the channel. Oh wait, big one. Oh, and a big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app, guys. This is one of my favorite platforms for investing. There's so many incredible benefits, including their Visa card, where you get all types of benefits, free Netflix, Spotify, Prime. You earn crypto for using their Visa card. They also have Crypto Earn, where you earn amazing interest on your coins. If you're staking USD coin, it's 12%. You'll never get that in a bank. USD tethered 12%. So if you have a little extra USDT sitting in your account, you can go and put it into your crypto earn, put it into your DeFi wallet, and receive incredible APYs, as you can see here, for holding your coins on a flexible 1 month or 3 month term. All right, guys. They've also partnered with the UFC, which is absolutely incredible. They're going to be one of the biggest exchanges in the world, in my opinion. And you can receive $25 in Crow in the native coin by signing up through my referral. And what do you think is going to happen to that $25 if we see the price continue to increase in the market? You're going to see that $25 go up to $50 to $100. So incredible opportunity with crypto.com. Please check it out through my referral, and please check out their website. So let's get back into the video. As I was saying with Bitcoin here, if you do see us break out, your target's 43K for Bitcoin, and that would be a massive gain for Bitcoin of 12%. That's when you're going to see AMP go up, 40%, 50%, because it moves so quickly. So keep an eye on that pattern as well for Bitcoin. Now I will go over the bearish scenario. If we were to see some sell-off here, let me open this up and drop in some levels of support. So if we were to see some sell-off, I think this line I've dropped in right here, you can see some support and resistance in that area, will act as a level of support. If we fell through the EMAs at 0.059, we also have this previous swing high from our bull pennant, which we could find support at as well at 0.055. So I'll just drop in those two levels of support. So what you want to see here for AMP is a little bit of consolidation, as we're seeing right now, and then you see that little bit of breakout. Let me get these lines out of the way. Right here where you backtest it as support, you see some confirmation, then you can enter your trade, and you have your breakout target that brings you up here to about 10 cents. So incredible trade opportunities, guys. But if we are to break to the downside, your levels of support 0.059, 0.055, you can also drop this one in. Obviously the bullish scenario is more likely. The bulls are in control. We are looking bullish, but there's always the chance that Bitcoin sells off a little bit. We fall out of this pattern, we lose the EMAs. We are having a nice little increase in volume here. It is looking bullish. We're seeing a lot of bullish news with Bitcoin. So these are all strong signals of a reversal in the trend, but we will take it day by day. So that's it for AMP. I'll give you some future price targets. So we have the 1.272 extension at 16 cents and the 1.618 at 25 cents, guys. So if you got in, if you were smart and got in at this bottom here, if you took all the reversal signs with the bullish divergences with the whales accumulating Bitcoin, and you got in down here, well, you're looking at some juicy gains of about almost 600%, guys. So absolutely incredible if that is our true bottom from our little correction here for AMP. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Shout out to everyone that got in on that last trade. You absolutely crushed it. And sign up to Bybit as well, receive up to $600 in bonuses. Incredible trading platform. See you guys in the next one. Check out the Discord, follow me on social. All right, peace, much love.